an easy instruction to Claude AI.
Welcome to this video on mastering Claude.ai. We will explore how to transition from basic AI chatting to utilizing it as an advanced digital workspace. Setting up your account takes just 2 minutes. Access the platform online, authenticate via email or Google, define a small, simple goal, and then execute your first prompt by typing naturally. Once inside the workspace, use the sidebar to manage threads and projects. Utilize the model selector, the attachment icon for file analysis, and the central prompt box for all your interactions. To get high-quality outputs, focus on the anatomy of a prompt. Combine a specific goal with deep context and clear format constraints. Remember to iterate based on the results. Claude projects act as a persistent, contextual brain. By uploading specific knowledge and setting custom instructions, every chat within that project benefits from your curated data. To build your first project, initialize it in the sidebar, upload your background files, define your custom instructions, and then generate content within that dedicated environment. Finally, be mindful of system constraints like knowledge cutoffs and usage limits. Always verify critical data and treat the AI as a partner to stress test your logic and plans.